Welcome back, friends. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the Excel formula to calculate the sum of amounts based on selection of drop-down list. In this Excel sheet, I have the details of personal income and expenses. The requirement here is to dynamically calculate the total of amount in G4 cell based on the category selected from this drop-down list. In this case, we have a function in Excel that is the SUMIF function. Let's apply SUMIF in the G4 cell. Press equals, type SUMIF, open bracket. In the range parameter, select the category range of the source data table. Put a comma. In the criteria parameter, select the cell where there is category selection dropdown. Put a comma. In the sum range parameter, select the values to be totaled range, which is the amount range of the source data. Close the formula with a bracket and hit enter. This is the total of amounts based on the category value selected from this dropdown. Let me select a different category, and here you see the total dynamically updates. Want to practice this? Download this workbook from the link in video description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next tutorial.